happened to this ear, man?
Yes, you didn't know what Mike Tyson did right there? He got a little piece of it, but it's all good. Oh, yeah. What I can't hear what you said.
You got this massive bulldog neck, man. I'm gonna need a bigger hammer for this. Think that one will do?
Oh,
There's a trigger point.
yeah. It's hard to talk.
Is that stress from being at home for 4 months? Right there?
Something. I know it hurt.
Did I make you stop counting? He's like,
Yeah, it's almost like you doing this, like you hit my eye.
you can feel it in your face?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a pretty common trigger point referral. So when people have headaches, especially around their eyes, a lot of times it's coming from their neck. First time getting hammered?
Yep. And this way, usually I get hammered with a glove.
Yeah. Yeah, those are different kind of adjustments, I think. Okay, look down again. There we go. I'm gonna clear that low edge. Bring it right there. Excellent. This one's gonna go right there. Drop your left shoulder a little bit. Perfect.
Man, it's true. I tell y'all, boy, I ain't think about that too, y'all. Y'all got me in that pulled me I'm good.
We were closer in height a second ago.
Oh, I'm tall? Oh, okay, then I can go for that.
All right, we're gonna adjust your ankles here. Relax that leg a little bit. There we go.
And then pull back with the elbow.
Nice. Felt it crack.
Relax it a little bit. Okay, pull back.
So both hands go right here. Yeah, he is standing taller, actually. No shoes, and he's got me dwarfed. Good. Yeah, relax the shoulder. Perfect. And relax that one. Okay.
I feel better.
Good.
Oh, this.
He's like, I don't know. I just feel your finger there still. Right arm feel light now?
Yep.
Yeah, looks good. All right, man. You feel better now?
I feel great.
Feel good? Beautiful.
Yep.
Perfect, man.
Oh, shit.